The drama around the rape allegation against the senior pastor of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, Pastor Fatoyinbo, is still unfolding as the police have confirmed inviting the complainant, Busola Dakolo, and her husband, Timi Dakolo, for questioning. After yesterday's press briefing, where Busola and her husband responded to issues in an effort to set the record straight, the matter has again become a trending subject of discourse from different quarters. TVC News correspondent Celestina Iria, who has been following this story, joins us live from Abuja to tell us more. Celestina, what more do we know about how the church is handling this allegation against the senior pastor, Fatoyinbo?
Well, I'm a few meters away from the headquarters of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, COZA, here in Abuja. We know the controversy surrounding the pastor started when the wife of Nigerian popular singer Busola Dakolo, in a press interview she had, she said that she was allegedly raped by Pastor Fatoyinbo in 1999 when she was 16 years old. And the thing raised a lot of dust, and some women and concerned Nigerians in FCT in Abuja actually staged a protest a few weeks back at the entrance of the church, some calling for the resignation of the pastor, some calling for the police to investigate into the allegations. But the thing there is, the pastor took to his Instagram page to actually refute the allegations, saying that he has never raped before, and which his wife also stood by the pastor, saying that her husband has never raped before, even when he was an unbeliever. Okay, after some time, the pastor actually took a leave from the pulpit, stating that this will allow the elders of the church investigate the allegations of rape leveled against him by Busola Dakolo. And we could recall 2 weeks back, members of CAN, talking about FCT chapter, the chairman of CAN FCT chapter, and also CAN chairman, North Central Zone, paid a visit to the church where they assured the pastor of joint relating support, that they support the activities of the church and they support the pastor. But so far so good. We also recall that CAN at the federal level brought out a press statement saying that whatever issues was raised by the chairman of CAN FCT and chairman of CAN North Central Zone, they are disassociating themselves from that visit, that the Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria is actually investigating the allegation of rape, and a 5-man committee was set up to look into the allegations.
All right, so in all of this, as you cover judiciary for TVC News in Abuja, how easy or difficult could it be to prove an allegation of rape in a law court?
Theophilus, I can say it's not enough to come out and make such allegations. But when coming out to make an allegation, be sure you have your proof and your facts right. We know that we have our criminal code and our penal code. Looking at our criminal code section 356 and looking at our penal code section 282, it spells out what a rape is, talking about consent and not giving your consent. But the issue of rape is more evidential than anything else. When I'm talking about rape cases, be sure that you have your facts straight. And we know the number of rape cases proven in court are not much, not because they don't happen, because the fact that evidences to prove these issues are not there. Evidence to prove the issue of rape needs to be gotten almost immediately when the incident happened. Talking about doctor's reports, if there's corroborating evidence, maybe there's an eyewitness who saw when the victim was being raped. But the issue about this is, even though this issue about Busola Dakolo happened over 2 decades ago, so what we are saying is, how would she come out to prove these allegations, saying that she was raped by the pastor? Okay, does she have a doctor's report that dates far back as 1999? Or does she have eyewitnesses to say, okay, I was there when she was allegedly raped? But the issue is, even if they are with eyewitnesses, all these are hearsay with evidence. Okay, she may come out with relative that's, okay, I was told, Busola told me she was abused by the pastor, she was allegedly raped by the pastor. But these evidences are not admissible in court because they are merely hearsay evidence. So the only way this case can be really determined and proven in court is if she can tender medical reports that, yes, she actually visited an hospital when the whole issue happened.
All right, Celestina, thank you very much. We've had a lot from you on this matter. Thank you so much for the update and the information you've given us. Moving on,